Okay, after 15 days of waiting since my order was placed, the AKASO V50X finally arrived. Yeah, the order was shipped. It was shipped from China, so I guess that's the reason it could be a little bit longer time, but 50 days to arrive is already quite impressive. Now I'm going to open this. Yeah. Look at that. This looks quite nice. A nice package. 4K action camera. So yeah, cost me only about, can't remember, about £70 each. So let me open it. Gets open from this seal. Okay, so I'm going to open it up. Okay, I need my nails, but I don't have much nails because I have trimmed my nails 2 days ago, so it's a bit struggling. Yeah, but anyway, it's open now. Oh, it's sticked. Maybe I shouldn't open it this side. Maybe I need to open it on the other side. Yeah, let's look at this side opens, and then this is openable. Take this out. I'm going to do this way and then try to slide down this package. Okay, so set this aside. Okay, it looks quite nice. Looks like come with a kind of waterproof case and something like mount. Okay, so yeah, follow the steps. Take out the silicone rubber protector. Okay, and give the mount buckle a hard pull. Now, okay. Yeah, this is something silicone protector. Take out, and then give a pull. Okay, second step. Give a mount buckle a hard pull. No, actually you need to lift this, I guess, and then, oh yes, and then you should be able to, yeah, there's something, yeah. Oh, the other side, no, and get confused a bit. Push the other side, yeah, and then it's out. Okay, that's it. Let's have a look what's inside this box. Yeah, open the box. Starting guide. You got starting guide strapped, lens cleaning cloth and some mount stuff. I don't know, kind of tightening straps, and then metal string. I don't know what's it for. We'll find it out later. A spare back cover, I guess. Okay, and there's some straps. This looks like bicycle mount and something like a clip, maybe mount I don't know, maybe rucksacks. And I don't know what's that for. Looks more like a spanner and more mount and parts, and this as well, and some other spare parts, and a cable, USB cable. It's a USB micro, not sure, micro B, micro C type cable, and spare mount and parts, and more mount parts, don't know what it is, and this more like remote control stuff, and other parts, don't know what's it for, we'll try to find it out later. This, don't know what's it for. Oh, it looks like kind of tripod mount. Okay, and a charger, yeah, and 2 batteries. Now we're going to put the batteries on charge, and then later find another time to test following the quick start guides. And there could be some QR code you can scan, and then to check the user manual. And it offers different languages such as Chinese, English, Dutch, Spanish, French, Italian, Japanese. Okay, that's all the language available. Sounds quite nice. And also an app. Okay, we'll try to download an app, see how it goes. Alright, cool. That's unboxing done. So there's no more parts available. Okay, in this package. Well, it's amazing. Coming out so many parts. Thank you.